Hallo friends. Hallo allerseits. Wie geht es Ihnen? How are you doing? Welcome to my channel Learn German the Easy Way, and I am Ruchi Jain. This video is all about how to use Doch in German. I hope you have heard this word many times. So, are you ready? Before going ahead, let me ask you something. Have you subscribed my channel yet? If you haven't, then please do consider to subscribe it. So let's start. Before going further, let's first understand this word Doch. Doch is a word in German language which can easily confuse language learners. You must have experienced it somewhere at some point of time while learning the language, while reading a text or something. It is my personal experience that when I was learning the language, when I started learning the language, many times I have read this word, but I was not able to get the meaning of this word. So I have tried my level best to explain it here. The reason is that it has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One cannot bind it in few words. It can be used as a conjunction, an adverb, a modal particle, or an answer particle. So you cannot bind it in a few words. That's quite clear. Let's see few of its meanings and try to understand its usage. Meanings of Doch. The first meaning we can take here is as a conjunction. It can be but, yet, even though, etc. Second usage, modal particle. The meaning is indeed. It can be a sentence word. The third usage is as an answer particle. The meaning can be yes. The next usage is adverb. The meanings could be nonetheless, however, anyhow, after all the same, though. It can also be used in general, like to express in spite of, in any case, of course, anyway, nevertheless, except, etc. So here I have given a little bit frame under which you can grasp the word. You can understand how this word is being used in that sentence, depending upon the grammatical concepts like conjunction as a modal particle, as an answer particle, as an adverb, or in any other areas. Let's go ahead. Let's see a few examples to understand it, how to use this word in sentences. Let's take this example. Du möchtest nicht den Kuchen essen. In English, we say it. You don't want to eat cake. Doch, ich möchte ihn essen. Yes, I want to eat it. Here you can see we have used this word as an answer particle. So I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Let's go ahead. Let's take a few more examples. Trinkst du keinen Kaffee? That's a question, which means don't you drink coffee? Doch, ich trinke Kaffee sehr gern. Doch, ich trinke Kaffee sehr gern. Yes, I drink coffee often. So here you can see it's a question, and now as an answer particle we have used doch. Let's see a few more examples. Kennst du meine Freundin nicht? Don't you know my friend? Doch, ich kenne sie. Yes, I know her. This yes expresses kind of of course I know her. How can you say that I don't know her? Of course I know her kind of expression is there here. Let's see some more examples. Let's take for a few more examples. Here, one more example here we can see. Mario ist nicht groß. Mario is not tall. Doch, ist groß. No, he is tall. Or you can take yes, he is tall. You're not right, he is tall. That is how we can take the meaning. Let's see few more examples. Sie kann diese Aufgabe nicht machen. Sie kann diese Aufgabe nicht machen. She can't do this job or this task. Doch, sie kann. No, that's not true. She can do it. That is how the meaning is being expressed. You are not in agreement with the person who said she cannot do that particular job. So you want to emphasize more on that part. No, you are not right. She can do that job. So in such kind of expressions also you can use this word. Let's see few more quick examples. Beispiele auf Deutsch. Das schmeckt doch lecker. In English, that tastes indeed delicious. Here you can see our word is used as indeed here. Let's take one more interesting example. Koch doch, was du willst. Koch doch, was du willst. Just cook what you want. Cook what you want, like that. So these are the different usage. Let's see a few more examples. Beispiele. Here you can see on the screen. Ich will nach Berlin. Doch mein Mann will nach Paris. Here you can see we have used modal verb here, will, but still we do not have the other verb. Why? Because it is understood. Ich will nach Berlin fahren. That is understood. That is why we have not written it over here. Let's see how to translate it. I want to go to Berlin, but my husband wants to go to Paris. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you have enjoyed it along with learning something new. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do consider to subscribe it. And don't forget to ring the bell and do share with your friends. Do write in comment section which topic you want to learn next. Thank you once again. See you. Tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen.